Do you know how to find the vertex of a quadratic equation by completing the square? Well, first, let's take a look at two different forms of quadratic equations. We have standard form, and standard form is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. When an equation, a quadratic equation, is in this form, we can say that it's in standard form. Now we're going to learn about a new form of a quadratic equation called the vertex form. Here's the vertex form of an equation right here. Y is equal to a times the quantity x minus h squared plus k, where a is the leading coefficient of the equation and h and k represent the coordinates of the vertex. Now let's look at how to use the vertex form of a quadratic equation to solve for the vertex. Here's our equation. Y equals negative 2 times the quantity x minus 6 squared plus 8. Now we know that h and k represent the coordinates of the vertex. And in this equation, h is here and k is here. So we can say that h is equal to 6 and k is equal to 8. So the coordinates of the vertex are going to be 6, 8. Now, if you look at this equation in vertex form, can you tell me whether or not the parabola opens up or opens down? Well, the a value is going to determine that. And in this case, the a is negative. The a equals negative 2. When the leading coefficient is negative, the parabola opens down. So we can say that the vertex is going to be at the maximum point, meaning that when you graph this parabola, it's going to be here with the vertex at 6, 8. Let's look at another one. Can you identify the vertex of this equation, and can you tell whether the parabola will open up or down? First, let's find h and k. H is here and k is here. So the coordinates of the vertex is 2, negative 6. That's the coordinates of our vertex. Now, is this parabola going to open up or down? Well, let's look at the a value. The a value is a positive 3. If the a value is a positive 3, it means our parabola is going to open up. On the coordinate grid, it will open up here. The vertex will be the minimum point. It will be here. Our vertex will be at 2, negative 6. The parabola will open up. Using the vertex form of an equation, you can figure out the vertex and whether or not the parabola opens up or down, determining whether your vertex is a minimum point or a maximum point on the parabola.